If an existing department is similar to the one that you want to add, copy the existing department and edit the copy to reflect the new department information. We're going to highlight the computer refurbished, and we're going to click on the I want to. We can choose copy here. We'll click on copy. We will keep it the same computer code. We're going to change it to a different sub-department. We will choose IBM. We're going to leave the tax as taxable. We're not going to put a margin percentage or a markup percentage because it's going to vary depending on the type of computer it is. Then we'll choose save. So now you can see on the bottom of the screen, you have your department detail here, and that's all you have to do.